Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to just go over real quick the external mods that I have on my Lilygo T-embed CC1101. You can see the two antennas that are on top here. Makes my device look like a little rabbit, but um, here is my Wi-Fi antenna, and over here is my sub-gigahertz antenna. These were super easy to do. On the top, I just made a little hole and then gradually enlarged them. I was worried about putting stress on the case itself and cracking it or causing it to break completely, especially being so close to like these buttons and stuff and the tabs inside. So I went ahead and just did it that way. Um, in the inside here, let's take everything out and you can kind of see what I'm working with. All right. So here you can see I went with elbows, 90-degree elbows for my SMA connector. Um, I did have a cheap black SMA connector that did just go straight down with a thinner cable. And what I noticed is that it failed right here where the heat shrink is. So I went with the 90s just because one, I was worried that it would hit the ESP chip, and on this side I was worried that it would stop from my battery going inside. So I did the 90-degree and then was able to wrap the cables around the device itself. The white one here is the CC1101 that's connected to the PN532 board. So you would just disconnect the existing antenna and then put in the wiring here and connect that IPEX there. And then the Wi-Fi goes over here on this one right there. So you would just take those out. The other antennas are like this sticker adhesive right here, and it's wrapped around the front. I took those out because I definitely just don't want them in there. That just loose wires and stuff, so I just kind of tossed them. It just makes it look a little bit cleaner at least, and it gives me a little bit more room. So as you guys can see that I'm able to still connect the battery and keep that in there, tuck it away, and then the housing gives a little extra clearance, not much, but I would say like a quarter of an inch or so. Um, as well, there's these in the back as well, these holes. These are about the same size holes as what these are on the top. So if you don't feel comfortable drilling uh, on the top through the case, you can always just use the back holes here. Again, those are roughly around a quarter 20 as well. So, but that's it. That's pretty much all of the mods that I did for this. I do want to do an NRF24 as well as maybe add GPS. I'm not 100% sure. I do want to utilize the pins here in the front, but I'm still deciding if I want to do that or not. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to go over the mods that I had for this device. If you guys want to do it, I definitely recommend it. I'll leave the links in the description for the antennas where you can get those at, the SMA to IPEX cables as well, and if anything else that may come to mind during the time that I'm doing the description. But anyways, that's all. I will go ahead and start doing that, and I will see you guys in the next one.